What's up, everybody? This is Daxon here with Weaver Family Farms and Knockside.org. This is just a piece of paper that we wrote out from the pins I did in one of my other review videos. We got a whole bunch of cool colors. You can check out that video. This is a product, a really cool case, and I'll show you. You can see right here, I got this on Amazon. I'm not too sure how to pronounce that, so I'm not going to try and butcher the name. But it's called a Camera Nanny Cam. This is actually new. It's just I got it, so it's used like new, so they can sell it cheap and give me my refund for doing this, and I get to keep it for free. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna reach over here and grab some scissors. I'll need to cut this open. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you. And I will take and throw the trash can over there. Alright, so let's see how we get this thing open. Looks like it possibly, maybe, if there's, feels like, oh, the corner's bent a little bit, that's why. It opens up. Alright, cool. So it comes with a quick start guide, hidden camera, alarm clock. So this is made to look like an alarm clock, and it has a hidden camera in it. I thought this was kind of cool, and it was offered to me for free for doing a honest review on it. Like I said, got it on fillmymailbox.com. So it kind of tells you how to use it and everything. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. And that's interesting. I actually didn't see that in the product listing, but it does come with a... trying to get my phone to focus here. My phone's actually dead, so I'm using my wife's phone, so I'm not quite used to it. But it comes with an 8 GB micro SD card and the micro SD card adapter, which is nice. Most things do not come with an SD card anymore. Here's the remote. Looks like you can take a picture, video. That's like an eye information or something maybe. And that looks like record on motion, and then power would be my guess. Comes with a charger, and also this is really a nice kind of discreet looking box. So no one, if you had friends over when this came in the mail or something, no one would really ever know what it is by looking at the box. This is pretty cool though. Let me get it out. This is even wrapped in plastic inside the nice foam, inside the box, which had the cellophane wrapping on it, inside the Amazon box with packing. So they really do not want this to break. Here it is though. Let me see if I can figure out exactly how you open this box. It's sealed pretty tight, looks like. Alright. Might have to actually cut that box a little bit, because it is really in there. Okay, cool. Right off, I can definitely tell the camera is right there, but from a distance, if it was just sitting there, I doubt your average person would just be looking around to see if you had hidden cameras in your house. So, this looks like it, maybe a speaker or something. Came with batteries. Yeah, there's a battery in there. I guess they'd be rechargeable anyway, since it comes with a cable to plug it in. Let's see if I can find an actual power button, or if I just need to charging where the SD card would go. Alright, cool. So there's the on and off. And it looks like, I doubt that was probably on purpose. They probably have it off, and oh nope, there's a little, my bad, a little thing slid in there. There we go. Cool. Alright, so let's see, and it is actually, oh my goodness, 4:02 in the morning. On with it. Pretty neat. Okay, so it's set 4:02. So now it looks a little bit more legit, especially when you get that close and you set it down, because you can actually see in there. Alright, so now let me see if I can get that SD card slid in there. My wife's phone's about to die now, so I need to kind of hurry it up with the rest of this video if I can. I'm being a little slow here. I also don't want to break the SD card. There it goes. Alright, so here is the micro SD card. Let's see. Get it slid in there right there. I assume that's the way it goes. Maybe. I don't want to do it wrong. So it looks like it actually has to go upside down. I have to use my scissors to actually get it pushed in there because I got big fingers for... SD card is now in there, and once again there's the little USB so you can plug it in and charge it. I guess you could probably leave it plugged in as well. Close that back up. Directions say here quickly if I can see how to... It's either that or I'm going to have to simply just use the remote. Take that out so the battery works. Let's see here. If I can possible. And it is supposed to do video resolution. It does say 920 by 1080, so it is 1080p. It saves files every 3 minutes. Charging time is 3 to 5 hours. With the 8 gigabyte card, you can record for 2 hours continuously, and full charge for continuous recording is 16 things. Shows you probably how to read the SD card and everything like that. And it does record sound. Let's see the sound. Would be, maybe I need to start on the other side here. Sorry, I'm learning, you know, just at the same time as anyone else would here. Okay, insert the card, charge it, power on and off the camera, power on, slide the switch to on, the blue light keeps on, the camera goes into standby mode. If there are no operations, the camera will turn itself off in 2 minutes. So I guess when the light's on, that means it's recording from what it sounds like. Case. Clock will always be working until the battery runs out. That says no matter if the camera's on or off. Record video, power on the camera, press recording, and press video. Let me see. So I'm going to... Sure. Recording. I don't see... You think there'd be a little light or something that lights up here. What I'm going to do is, I don't want to waste all your time with this video. I'm almost running up on 10 minutes already. But it says power on the camera, power on the camera. Go back to 2.3 here. Power on, slide the switch to on. The blue light keeps on. The camera goes into standby mode. The clock still goes. So I guess that means when you have this slid on, down here at the bottom, when this is slid to off, there's no light. Now watch when I turn it on, there's a little light that turns on, even though the button's kind of hard. It's blue, I assume. Blue probably means, alright, now let's watch this light and see what happens. Nothing. Do nothing. Alright. Little now, and it's also 4:07 in the morning. But anyway, that's it for this video. If I can get some clips, I will try to post them later of the quality, because if so, it'd be recording me right now. Video. Hopefully, if you get one, you can get it working, good and everything. I'll eventually figure it out. I just don't want to waste all your time in the video. I think I pretty much showed everything, that it comes with and everything. If you would like to get cool free stuff, don't forget to go to fillmymailbox.com. And don't forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel. We're always doing something cool. Don't forget to like and leave any comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.